Jasmine, how are you? How's everything?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. So again, we are trying to get back to unusual life.
Teacher, I'm tired.
Tired of what? Studying
I
or
went to school today
and
and it's tiring because I had to build a tower out of spaghetti.
what? Out of spaghetti? How did you do that?
Yes. We had to use tape, marshmallows, and spaghetti to build the tallest tower, and my team won.
Wow, congratulations. Spaghetti is cooked spaghetti or not cooked?
No, raw spaghetti, teacher.
Oh,
I got
see.
75 centimeters.
What? How do you
I see. Do you have any pictures?
Our teacher has pictures. Let me see if she posted it in our classroom.
Yeah, I want to see this. Are you allowed to bring telephone to your school?
We are, but we have to put them in a box. And then
Ah.
once the school day is over, we take them again. And I go on the school bus.
So class time you cannot use.
No, you cannot. We have to switch them off and put it in a box.
Okay, good.
Yes.
I see. If you're after school, actually, when did you come back from school? 2 hours ago, just?
There was traffic today, and I go by school bus. So I came at around 5 o'clock, and now it's 7.
Oh, did you have rest?
Well, I ate and played games.
What did
on
you
my
eat?
phone.
Spaghetti? Spaghetti tower?
No, I ate rice, teacher.
What kind of rice? Yellow rice.
Fried rice, egg fried rice.
Fried rice.
Yes.
Okay. But anyway, in Azerbaijan, I think meat, lamb, beef, it must be so delicious, right? Because here in this part of the world, you know, the animals meat, they are not delicious because it's always hot. In hot countries, animals meat is not delicious. Because if animals actually grow in a cold country, it is so delicious. Okay, good. Aya Nagizada, how about you? Also, you must be tired. Good to see you. Good to see your name here.
I'm okay. Yes, last time I'm sorry for being absent. I was not home, so I couldn't join. But
What
this
happened?
time I'm okay.
How many times did you miss? 1 or 2 times?
Last week only once because I joined on Wednesday.
You joined on Wednesday, but you were absent on Friday.
Yes.
Okay, good. How are you today, Ayan?
I'm okay.
I'm okay. That means not very good.
No, it just means that I'm good, but I'm a bit tired.
If you're a little bit tired, it's okay. If you're too tired, then that's a problem. Okay, guys, let's continue. I think others will join a bit late, or maybe they're also tired. Also, I don't know what to do, you know. Maybe after you're tired and just come back from school and having another class, that's a big challenge for you. And teaching, it is not so hard, right? Because you're talking every time and we have some kind of responsibility. But listening and learning, it is quite hard. And once you learn something, again, you just back move to comfort zone, right? Just now you're collecting fruits in the garden, right? And after once you collect this, then you start eating those fruit. But as we talk about knowledge, it takes time, maybe years. So Ayan, Jasmine, Ayan, actually, we just did some question from here. As you see here, Mathematical Olympiad 2015, Division S1, that is secondary one level lower than your level. That's still S1, S2, S3, even a lot of Sasmo questions. The techniques are the same, but Of course, the content is a little bit different, maybe a little bit more challenging. Maybe if you see similar question in S2, it will be a little bit harder. In S3, it will be much harder. It is something like this, okay? But the ideas, the most important thing is when you look at the question, does idea come quickly? Do you have some method, or actually, I know this one, how to do that. Can you say that or not? That is the most important thing. And after that, by practicing a few questions, you can improve your problem solving skill. Okay, let's continue this. Jasmine, do you remember how many questions did we solve last time? Just guess.
I do not remember, but I'm pretty sure it was like 11 or 12.
12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. I think we stop here, right? Yes. Let's try to solve these questions all, try to finish them, and let's see. Okay. Okay, Ayan. We miss your voice, Ayan. Read the question and you will think a little bit, and after that, we'll talk about the solution. Okay, Ayan, can you read this? Yeah, Ayan, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Okay, because it's too big. How about if it is 19? And how about if it is 18? Because I need more space for the solution. Okay. All right. Yes, Ayan, can you see this well?
Yes, I can.
Ayan, how are you joining the class? With PC, laptop, iPad, telephone?
Laptop.
Good. It's laptop, it's good then. You can see this very well. Okay, Ayan, can you read this? And let's see what we get here.
Jane is at a road junction with 4 possible roads to her friend's house, but she did not know which road to take, so she asked some passerby for a direction. First passerby, your friend's house is not on road 1. Second passerby, I did not want to live near your friend, so I moved from road 2 to road 4. Third passerby, I have taken road 2 to the beach before, but I have not passed by any house. Fourth passerby, your friend stays on road 3. If only one of the passerby is telling the truth, on which road does Jane's friend live?
Okay, Jasmine, Ayan, if possible, read this again. Okay, just think a little bit, try to understand actually what you get from here. Okay, and after that, let's discuss this. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes.
I think I know the answer.
What did you answer, Ayan? And why?
Road 3.
Road 3. Why?
Because it's not road 1 and it's not road 2. And the second passerby says that they didn't want to live near the front, so they moved from 2 to 4. So it could be road 3. Because road 3 is near to road 2 as well.
Okay. Jasmine, how about you? What do you think?
I also think it's road 3.
Are you just guessing, or did you do this in some systematic way? How did you get reach this decision?
Well, I like, how do I say this? Well, I don't think, well, no, it's actually not 3, because it's if only one of them is telling the truth. But the first passerby says that she doesn't live on road 1, but the fourth one says she lives on road 3.
Okay.
I mean, the fourth one could be wrong, but I don't know, teacher. It's confusing.
Okay. So, Jasmine, Ayan, now I will show you how to solve this kind of logical questions. Okay. Again, as you see, if you just close your eyes and how many questions we saw so far, and a lot of questions. What is it? Number one, you have to read it. Number two, write it down, the data in the question, what is given. And if possible, how do you write the data? Maybe in algebraic way, a equals this, distance equals this, time equals this, right? And form the equation. Or, and also we can tabulate our data, right? Just put your data in a table, and after that, how things are related to each other, and after this, solve this. So now in this question, suppose that we are talking about 4 people and passerbys. That's why the passerby 1, let me just write here, passerby 1 and passerby 2 and passerby 3 and passerby 4. Okay. And let me just write the results here. We have R1 and here we have R2 and here we have R3. That means the row 3. And this one is R4. Okay. So maybe I need to redraw this. It's too long. Okay. So now if you read this, it says that the first one, the first passerby, your friend's house is not on road 1. What is he implying here? He's implying to that actually if, let's say, person Y is saying that, right, not on road 1, he's saying that maybe he's living in road 2 or road 3 and road 4. Okay. So just you should understand the first part. What do we mean? What do we mean by this? That means that if his friend is living on road 2 or road 3 or road 4, that means that the first passerby is telling the truth. He's not lying, right? Because he's saying that he's not living on road 1. But if his friend is living on road 1, that means that he is lying, right? He's not telling the truth. Continue. The second one, I did not want to live near your friend, so I moved from road 2 to road 4. And what is he implying here? He's saying that your friend was living in road 2 and I didn't want to live near him. That's why I moved to road 4. That means that he's living in road 2, right? And not on road 1, not on road 3, not on road 4. The third guy, I have taken road 2 to the beach before, but I have not passed by any house. He's saying that actually your friend is not living on road 2, right? He's not living on road 2. Maybe he's living on road 1 or road 3 and road 4. Once again, if his friend is not living on road 2, living in road 1 or road 3 or road 4, that means that he is telling the truth, not lying. What? Continue the last one. It says the fourth passerby says that your friend stays on road 3. Road 3, that means he's here, right? Not, sorry. Road 3, it is tick, not on road 1, not on road 2, and not on road 4. Okay. Aya, now can you tell me, look at the table here. In which column actually we have only one truth teller?
Road 1?
The first column, right?
Yeah.
The first column. In the second column, 2 people are telling the truth, 2 people are lying. The third one, 3 people are telling the truth, 1 is lying. And then the last one, 2 people are telling the truth, 2 is lying. In the question, it says that if only one of the passerby is telling the truth, the only case is the first one, which means that the guy is living on road 1. Okay, is it clear, Ayan?
Not really.
Jasmine, how about you? Did you get anything?
Teacher, it says if only one of the passerby is telling the truth, then why do we choose the road and not, for example, passerby 2? Because he only said one true thing.
Look at the
Oh, no,
columns,
no.
for example, in the first column, right? The passerby is not telling the truth. Passer 2 is, for example, you should actually approach the problem like this. Suppose that, for example, here, the first case, what is it? That means that his friend is living on road 1, right? If his friend is living in the road 1, who are telling the truth here? Only person 3, right? Others are telling lying here. right? Person one, passerby one is lying. Passer two, lying or lied, let's say. And also person four, he didn't tell the truth, right? Now, in the second case, how about if his friend is living on the second road? That means that here two people are
Teacher, I
lying
get it
and
now.
two people are telling the truth. And also here in this case, only one person is telling the truth. Also, actually, that means that he cannot live on road two. If road three, let's say the person is living on road three, then three people are telling the truth. Only one person is lying. But here it says, again, only one person is telling the truth. Okay, did you get it now?
Yes, I understood.
Me too.
Aya Nagizade, how about you?
I got it. But Mr. Kazan, if you were to do it in real life, like, wouldn't you choose road 3 because all of them are hinting to road 3?
No, 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 no. Even this is a real life question, Ayan. This is a logic question. Like prosecutors, actually, how do they use their logic in this way? It's not just a theory. It is a real life question.
Okay, I guess.
You guess? Say I hope, not you guess. All right. Rifa, welcome. You're a bit late. We have been talking about this question. Is everything okay,
Yeah,
Rifa?
yeah, just my parents was late. When's everything for my school, so
Okay. So for being late, you're blaming your parents?
no, I'm not blaming my parents. I just said why I'm late.
Okay. Good. I'm just kidding, Rifa. Yeah, I know actually don't do that. Okay, Rifa, do you have any question about this question? Did you get something?
No, because like I just came. I don't know what's happening. I didn't understand the question even. I didn't read it.
Good. Okay, let's move to the next question. Jasmine, read the question.
Elsie has 20 pens. She divides them into 4 piles that each pile has a different number of pens. Find the smallest possible number of pens in the biggest pile.
Okay,
I think I know how to do this.
you know how to do that, but do you know the answer? Jasmine, let's just give 1 minute, okay, 1.5 minutes. Let others
Okay.
think. If you know the answer, leave it to the chat box, okay? 1 minute and 45 seconds. And after that, let's discuss this. Ayan, did you understand the question?
Yes. I
Good.
think the way you do this is just by guessing.
No, no, no.
Yes, you guess like 4 numbers, which could make up 20.
Okay, guess. What is your guess here?
I have to think about it.
That means that you're not making a guess then. You are working on it.
Well, yes.
To make a guess, Ayan, do you have to think? Or
Yes.
do you think to make a guess?
Yes, you do.
That means that you are solving the problem. You're not guessing.
No, you're just like thinking about it, but you're not like giving evidence, so it's a guess.
Yeah, you should say that, Mr. Qasim, I'm not making a wild guess. I'm making educated guess, right? Because we have two types of guess, right, Jasmine? We have wild guess and educated guess. Wild guess, you just give a number. Okay, I think it is 50. I think it is 60. But educated guess based on some facts. And after that, you're making a guess. Okay, Aya, let's see. Okay, try. Okay, after 1.5 minutes, let's discuss this.
Oh, teacher, I got the photo of the spaghetti tower I was talking about.
Okay, drop it to my WhatsApp. Let me see.
Okay, I'll send it to you
And
later.
I hope I will have to say, wow.
It's not that like unique, to be honest.
Yes, our whole class made spaghetti towers today.
Were you in the same team with Jasmine, Aya?
No, we're in different teams.
So you lost then. You didn't get the first place. Jasmine told me that they won the competition.
Yes, teacher, we were trying to figure out how to do it, and our spaghettis kept breaking, and we kept getting mad, so we ended up losing.
Hmm. I have never heard about this competition. The first time actually I heard from Jasmine. So you wasted a lot of spaghetti then?
Yes, but we were only given like 25 good spaghettis and 40 weak spaghettis, so I guess it's not really that much of a waste.
25 pieces?
Yes.
Oh, it's not so much then. I see. I thought you made a big tower, like maybe 2-3 meters high.
No.
Teacher, the tallest one was 75 centimeters.
Oh, I see. Good. Did you send it, Jasmine?
I'll send it now then.
Jasmine, was yours 75?
Yes.
Oh,
The tallest one was 89.
Okay. Anyway, guys, let's get back to this class. Yes. Did you get anything, Ayan, Jasmine, Rifa?
yes.
What did you get?
No.
Tell
Teacher,
me.
I didn't realize it said smallest. So then that's why I don't know how to do it now.
Ayan, what did you get?
I have 4.
4. 4?
Yeah.
How is it
Yes.
possible, Ayan?
I'll tell you. So,
It
C3.
says find the smallest possible number of pens in the biggest pile.
Oh, I just found the smallest pie.
No, it says the smallest possible number of pens in the biggest pile.
What does it mean, biggest pile? If it's biggest pile, it will have the biggest number of pens.
No. Here, look. Let's say we are making 4 piles, okay? Let me just say that's the biggest one. The first one is the biggest pile. And the second one is B, a bit smaller one. And the C, a bit smaller one. And the D, right? And where here we have A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 20. And of course, they are all different, right? They cannot be the same. The first possible choice here is, right, in this way, right? For example, if this one is 1, and this should be 2, this should be 3, and this should be, what is it? 5, 6, it should be 14. All right?
So your answer will be 14?
No, not 14. I'm just giving you one example. But 14 is too big.
My answer is 7 then.
How about this one is 2? Let's say the smallest, it is, the smallest means that this should be the smallest, others must be the biggest, right?
But it says
Do you understand? Like this, look, how to solve this one. Yeah. And suppose that all piles have the same number of, what is it, pens. So that means that here it is 5, it is 5, it is 5, it is 5, right? Because here, for A to be the smallest, B, C, D must be the biggest, right? So now all numbers are equal. It's not possible. So I just take 1 from D and give it to A. At the time I have here 6, I have here 5, I have here 5, I have here 4, right? But still these two numbers are the same. How can I make them this different? For example, again, actually, I will take 1 from here, give it to here. So at the time, this will be 7, this will be 5, this is 4, and this is 4. Now these two numbers are the same. So let me take 1 from here and put it in the first bag. So at the time, I have here 5. This one is 8, 5. This one is 4, and this one is 3. Now every bag contains different number of pens, right? And which one is the biggest one? The first one, it has 8. The second one, 5, third one, 4, and 3. Under this condition, Ian, every pile should contain different number of pens, and altogether they contain 20.
Hello, Mister. I'm really sorry for being late. I was not I'm in the car still, and I
Okay.
did not have access to internet.
Okay. So this 8, right? You cannot find any number. If it is 7, it doesn't work, right? Does it work, Ian?
7?
With 7. Did you say 7?
Yes.
How does it work with 7?
Okay, I'll tell you what I did. So the four numbers I got were 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, and 6.5. So I just rounded 6.5 up and I got 7.
No, you cannot run. We are talking about pens. We cannot use, we should use only natural numbers for this. Right? Pens, how do you count? To count pens, we need to use natural numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that is the only case, Ian. So actually, if you find smaller numbers, 7, tell me, how is it possible? It is not possible. So the answer is here, it is 8. Okay?
Okay.
Jasmine, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Ian, read the question.
Anna thinks of 7 different positive integers. None of the integers is a multiple of each other. What's the least possible sum of these 7 integers?
Okay, give it a try. So it is a question. Okay, 1.5 minutes. After that, let's discuss this together. 1.5 minutes. Ten seconds. Jasmine, any answer?
Teacher, I'm not sure, but are they like prime numbers?
What did you get?
I didn't add them yet.
Oh, Jasmine, what were you doing? You're just looking at the beauty of those numbers. Ian, how about you?
Could you guys wait a sec? I'm adding them up now.
Are also all of your numbers are prime numbers, Ian?
No.
What do you mean no? What do you mean? Ayan, no. Ayan, I think left. Jasmine, did you get 58?
Yes.
Okay, I think that's the only answer, because if you take any answer, otherwise, because it says none of the integers is a multiple of each other, right? So the only way is those numbers must be all, what is it, prime numbers. Okay, so another question. Let's solve this together. Okay, you have some rest. You're thinking too much, I think. And after that, I will ask you the next question. Rifa, are you here?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Rifa, read the question. I know you are tired, but you have energy to read the question.
Okay, the diagram shows a square and equilateral triangle in the parts of a regular polygon. How many sides does the letter polygon have?
Okay, we are talking about a regular polygon. Regular polygon means all sides are equal and all interior angles are equal. And also the regular polygon, right? In Gen any polygon, how do you find the sum of the interior angles? That's just equal to 180 times n minus 2. This is n is the sides, number of sides of the polygon. And how about if it is regular polygon? If one angle, right, alpha, just we need to divide this by n. 180 times n minus 2 over n. That gives us one angle. So here, actually, by saying that we are given a square, an equilateral triangle, right? We need to know that alpha. What is the measure of one interior angle of this regular polygon? Since it is square, that means that this angle is 90 degrees. Since it is equilateral triangle, one of the interior angles should be 60. So there is sum. Then what is alpha? Alpha is 90 plus 60. That's equal to 150 degrees. Now we know one interior angle, right? So just using this formula, we can get the answer. So one angle is 150 degrees. That's equal to 180 times n minus 2 over, here we have n. Now if you divide both sides by 180, the 0, 0, they cancel each other. N minus 2 over n is equal to 15 over 18. I can simplify this further. By 3 it is 5, by 3 it is 6. Now if you cross multiply, 6 times n minus 2, that is 6n minus 12, and 5 times n, it is 5n. So what is n here? N is equal to 12. So dot, 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 the answer is 12. Yes, I am.
So I'm sorry for leaving. My computer battery just died. How did you guys do the number question?
This one?
Yes.
Yeah, this I am.
I
These
had to,
numbers are, it must be prime numbers, right? Otherwise, it said in the question, none of the integers is a multiple of each other.
but mine weren't multiples of each other.
But what did you get? What is the answer?
I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 15.
And what did you get?
I still didn't add them.
Say again, I didn't hear well.
Wait, hold on, I will add them now.
But I think there will be more than 60, right? Are you adding them now?
Yes.
Let's see what you get.
It's 72.
72?
Yes.
So our answer is smaller than yours. Then our answer is much better than yours. I am.
Yes, that's true.
Because here it says that none of the integers is a multiple of each other. That means that those numbers must be, what is it? Prime numbers, right? Prime numbers, they have only two factors, right? One and itself. So if I just exclude one, then all of these prime numbers, none of these prime numbers are multiple of each other. Or if you just multiply any number here, you do not get another number here. So if you just add them up, then the smallest value is 58. Okay, Ayan, if you have some idea, knowledge about prime numbers, immediately you just remember them and write them quickly and add them up. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, good. How about this, Ayan? Is everything clear about this question?
Yes, it's clear.
Good. Okay. Another geometry question, very simple question. Give a try. And if possible, you can draw on a piece of paper. You don't have to draw accurately, okay? And you have 3 minutes. Let's see who can get the answer. Jasmine, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I got your picture. Oh, like this. Oh my gosh. What is at the top?
She told us that we have to put a marshmallow on the top of it. So we took a
Oh, it's
very, very
marshmallow.
small part of a marshmallow and put it on the top.
I see. How did they bring this home? Is it at home or at school?
We threw it away.
No, we broke it at the end.
No, this picture was taken at school, right?
Yes.
Ah, I see. Oh my gosh. It's not easy to make this. With sticks, maybe it's easy, but with spaghetti.
Teacher, she said to use 25 and like a couple other ones, but I broke them in half so it could be more stable.
Okay. What actually kind of spaghetti did you use, Jasmine? Do you remember the brand name?
It was a Turkish company.
Oh, there is one Italian company, you know, it's very strong. It's the name,
Barilla.
yeah, Barilla.
Yes, it's superior, teacher. It's the best pasta.
Yes, they're my favorite. They're the only ones I eat.
Yeah. Barilla also here, usually I buy Barilla and it's good. I mean, the quality, the taste is good. How about chocolate, Ayan? What is your favorite chocolates? What brand?
I'm not sure, like, I don't eat bar chocolate anymore. I used to love them when I was younger, but not anymore. But I love Nutella.
Oh, Nutella, my kid's favorite. Every week I buy one bottle, but one jar, so it's not. Did you ever try Lindor, Ayan?
No, I don't think so. I never heard of it.
Really?
Lindor, Lindor, you get them here.
Oh, is
They're slightly more expensive, but
by Lindor? Do you mean Lind?
No, Lindor chocolate.
yeah, Lindor. The company name is Lind. It's just the product name
Oh,
is
I
called
see.
Lindor.
Oh, yes, then I ate them.
Yeah,
But I still don't like bar
their
chocolate.
chocolate is so delicious. I used to buy a lot. Now, even I buy now, nobody is at home. That's why I stopped buying it. Good. Any idea? Jasmine, Rifa, Murad, Ayan. Murad must be sleeping already. Rifa is maybe
No, I'm not sleeping. I'm here.
No, I'm
where?
here, teacher.
Where?
I'm just
I'm in the car.
You're in the car, coming back home, or you are going
Yes,
somewhere?
yes. I can even prove that. Wait. So look,
No. Where are you going, Rifa?
I'm Murad. I'm going back home.
So we are coming from school.
I'm not school from another lesson.
Oh, I see. Okay, good. This technology, you know, you can just join the class from anywhere. So Murad, in your hand, what do you have? Is it iPad or tablet? What is it?
It's a phone.
Ah, phone. And like Samsung S6, Galaxy S6, it has pen. It's so nice to use. I don't know. I like
I
this.
hate
You hate
I
what?
hate Android devices.
Yeah, everybody has different tastes, right? I don't like iPad is also good, but I didn't like this, and I just gave it to my wife, and I bought this S6. I like S6. I don't know. I like Samsung. I don't like iPads, Mac products. They are good, of course, but I like Samsung. Easy to use. Oh, anyway, Jasmine, Rifa, Ayan, any answer? Jasmine, how are you solving? Are you solving or just thinking?
Teacher, I cannot. I don't know how to do this.
Okay, let's just do this together. This kind of question, number one, is asking the ratio, right? The ratio means we do not have to know the exact value of these areas, okay? And the question, it says that the ratio of the area of ABC to the area of ADE to the area of AFG is 7 to 8 to 15. And let me just label these areas by some variables. Let's say this region, let's say this X. This region, let's say this Y. This region, let's say this XY. ZW, or WZ, XYZ. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's say this Z, and this one is W. Okay, we have 4 different regions here, right? So what is ABC? ABC is X plus Y, right? 2, the second one is ADE, right? ABC to ADE. What is ADE? ADE is Y plus Z, Y plus Z. 2, next one is AFG. What is AFG? AFG is Y plus Z plus W. So that is, and the ratio is, they are in the ratio 7 to 8 to 15, right? So what does it mean? It means that this X plus Y is equal to 7P. P is some constant, right? And Y plus Z is equal to 8P. And Y plus Z plus W is equal to 15P. Okay. Actually, here it is a ratio, right? That's why you can just take this P as 1. It doesn't change anything, all right? I can just take it as 7 to 8 to 15. So given that 1/4 of the area of ADE, and also is given that, let me just change the color here, 1/4 of the area of ADE. What is ADE? Y plus Z. Y plus Z is equal to, it's shaded. The shaded means the shaded region is, it is 1/4 of the area of ADE is shaded. So that is Y. Now from the last relationship, what can I get from here? If you multiply both sides by 4 and take Y to the right hand side, then Z is equal to 4Y. Okay, Z equals 4Y. Now if I substitute here, right, in this equation, what is Y? Y plus, what is Z? It is 4Y. Right? That's equal to 8P. Is it? No, it's not 4Y, right? It's 3Y. Because take Y to the right hand side, 4Y minus Y, it is 3Y. Good. So now if I substitute there, it is Y plus, what is Z? It is 3Y. That's equal to 8P, right? If you divide both sides by 4, so what is Y here? It is 2P. It's one thing. Let me just write here. What am I going to find here? We are going to find what fraction of the figure is shaded. What fraction of the whole figure? It is the shaded region is Y. And what is the area of the whole region? That is X plus Y plus Z plus W. Okay. Now here we have Y plus Z plus W, right? We know that it is 15P. Let me just write it. What is Y? Y equals 2P over, I have X, I'll just change it soon. X plus Y, X plus, what is it? Y plus Z plus W, it is 15P. Now I need to find x. How can I find x? Now from here, right? From this relationship, what is x? X equals 7p minus y. What is y? It is 2p. That's equal to 5p. So instead of this x, I can write 5p. So here we have 5p plus 15p, which is equal to 2 over 20. That's equal to 1 over 10. Okay, Jasmine. Ayan, any questions?
No, it's clear.
Good. How about this question? That's also easy question, guys. Jasmine, first, Ayan, you read it, okay, this time. And after that, let me give it 2 minutes. At least if you have some idea, you can share with me. Otherwise, we will do it together. Ayan, can you read the question?
Sure. The diagram shows a rectangle being divided into 3 smaller rectangles and a square. If the perimeter of the unshaded rectangle is 42 centimeters and the area of the square is 49 centimeters square, find the total area of the shaded rectangles.
Okay, we have 2 rectangles which are shaded, right? We need to find the total area of those shaded rectangles. All right. So that's also very simple, but let's see. You can see that point or not. You have 2.5 minutes.
I just want to draw on the iPad, but unless you want to wrong.
Where's another iPad? Really?
I don't put something on that one. I told so once he's done drawing with that one, I can use it. Which should start what you're not doing.
Is she using it?
Please,
10 seconds. Jasmine, Rifa, Ayan, any answer?
The truth is no, but one thing I do know about this question is that one side of the square is 7.
Okay.
And that's all.
Okay, so that's 7, right? Which one is it? It is this one. That is 7, 7, 7, 7. So that is
Yes.
7. So that means that also this should be 7. Also this should be 7. Suppose that this side is A. That means also this should be A. Suppose that this remaining part is B. And also this should be B. And also suppose that the first part, actual root region, let's just label this by A. So this part is B. Now I will continue. Doing this, the first step is, in the question it says that if the perimeter of the unshaded rectangle is 42, right? What is the unshaded rectangle? We are talking about this unshaded rectangle. So that is P. What is its perimeter? 2 times A plus B. That is equal to 42. So from here, what is A plus B? A plus B is equal to 21. Number 2, we need to find the total area of the shaded region. That is A plus B. What is A? A is 7 times A, right? This is the width times length. Plus, how about B? It is also 7 times B. And 7 is a common factor. Here we have A plus B, and we know the value of A plus B, right? What is it? It's 21. So that's equal to 21, 147 square centimeters. Yes, I am.
Why is it 2 times A plus B?
The perimeter, it says the perimeter, right? How do you find the perimeter of the rectangle? This rectangle,
You add everything?
this rectangle. This is A, this is B, right?
Oh, okay. I thought by AB you meant like the big shapes.
No, no, it says unshaded rectangle, right?
Okay.
Okay, good. Jasmine, read the question so that you don't fall asleep. Let's solve one more question. I'll finish the class.
Polite numbers are numbers that can be expressed as the sum of two or more consecutive integers. So 5 equals 2 plus 3, and 9 equals 2 plus 3 plus 4, which equals to 4 plus 5. Find all the polite numbers that can be expressed as the sum of two consecutive positive integers. I didn't understand the thing, teacher.
Okay. So actually in math, sometimes they give some special interesting names, or let's say fancy names. We have, what is it? Palindromic numbers. We have polite numbers. We have amicable numbers. We have, what is it? Some interesting numbers. Now here we have another type of numbers. What is it? It says that definition. And here also, you may wonder why they are asking this kind of question. If you have something new, all right, something new is given, can you just grasp this new idea quickly and use it into practice, or put it into practice? And this really measures like the students' understanding skill, and how much actually can grab the new concept, how quickly you can do that. Anyway, here is giving the definition, the first part of the question. We are saying that polite numbers are what? Numbers that can be expressed as the sum of two or more consecutive positive integers. For example, 5, 2 plus 3, right? 2 and 3 consecutive integers. So 5 is a polite number. 9, either 4 plus 5 or 2 plus 3 plus 4. These 2, 3, 4, they are consecutive 3 positive integers. 4 and 5 consecutive integers. Like also I can write some other numbers. For example, let's say 1 is not polite number, right? Because 1, you cannot write it as a sum of 2 or more consecutive positive integers. And how about 2? Also, it's not a polite number. You cannot write 2 as a sum of 2 or more consecutive positive integers. How about 3? Yes, it is 1 plus 2. And how about 4? No. Can you write 4 as a sum of 2 consecutive positive integers? No. The only way is 2 plus 2? No. 1 plus 3? No, right? So how about 5? Yes, 5 is, I can write it as 2 plus 3. And 7, for example, 3 plus 4. It says that find all the polite numbers that can be expressed as a sum of only 2 consecutive positive integers. I'm just showing you how to form these numbers. 9, 4 plus 5. 11, 5 plus 6. 13, 6 plus 7, right? So now do you have some idea about this? Actually, this 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. What are these numbers? Simply these are odd numbers, right? But starting with 3, right? That means that every odd number greater than 1 can be written as a sum of two consecutive positive integers. So now what is our answer then? Our answers are all odd numbers greater than greater than 3, or not 3, let's say this 1, because if I say 3, it will not include 3, right? What are the odd numbers greater than 3? 1, it is 3, 5, 7, 9. If you just pick any odd number, we can write it as a sum of two consecutive integers. Why? Because every odd number can be written like this: 1, 2n plus 1. What is 2n plus 1? It is just n plus 1, right? N and n plus 1, two consecutive positive integers. Okay, Jasmine, do you have some idea now?
I think so, but I'm
Okay.
not sure.
Okay, actually we'll practice more in S. This is S1, secondary 1. In secondary 2, your level, there's also they ask the similar questions usually, but a little bit harder. Okay, the time may be not as a sum of 2, but as a sum of 3. Okay, but idea is again similar. Okay, guys, I will finish this meeting at me here. Jasmine, Rifa, Ayan, thanks for your attention, for your time, for your patience. Okay, I wish you good luck in your studies. Never give up. You will achieve a lot of things. Okay, and work hard and never give up. Actually, after that, success, everything comes with this. Guys, enjoy your weekend. I will meet you next week. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Have a great time.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
Bye. Have
weekend.
a nice
Bye
weekend.
bye. You too. Thank you.